Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 10, that is the table and form in a HTML, in which we have to start attributes of tr, td and th. So what are the attributes of tr, td and th? One first is the border color and how to put the border color, and the second is the bg color, border color and bg color. So how we will use this? Can be used in a tr, td and th tag. So suppose this is one coding body table I use the tr, in that I use one th. Suppose I write the same name, th will be closed. After that another th, the class, and th will be there, tr is closed. So if you want to put the border color, so if you want to put the border color, you can put here in the table row, table heading, or the table td also we can put. So let's start with our td. Suppose xyz is any name, th will be closed, td will be closed. Then again td will be open. In the 7th class I had written td is closed here, and now tr is closed. So if you want to put that border color, so you can put the border color here also in the td section. In the td section you can also put your border. So how we will write? BOR border color is equal to, suppose I had given the red. Now the border color will be of red color, that is something like this. Suppose this is a name, this is our class. So the tr is the full name, full table row. So this full row will become of red color. The boundary of this will become the red color. And again we can also push the th. So th, if I write the bg color equals to green, suppose I had written the bg color equals to green. So th in the name one, so the background color will be here, it will be green color. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपका ये कौन सा कलर आ जाएगा? ग्रीन कलर आ जाएगा. इसी तरीके से आप टीडी में अगर आप देना चाहते हैं बॉर्डर कलर, सो बॉर्डर कलर इज इक्वल्स टू, सपोज यू हैड गिवन येलो, so the border color of the tr xyz, that is suppose xyz 7, so the border color will be here, will be 7, this one, yellow color. Okay, so the now I think border color and bg color are clear. And the next is the horizontal alignment and the vertical alignment. So horizontal line will be like this, and vertical alignment here this. So this is left right in a horizontal alignment, and in vertical alignment it is top and bottom. Okay, so how we will write it? So suppose we have tr, in tr we are having the th name, th will be closed, again your th, your address. I am taking the example of a book only, tr will be closed. Then again td, in that td suppose I write the align equals to right, and I will write xyz, td will be closed. Here td v align equals to top, suppose address is BPS public school, td will be closed. Here your tr is closed. I have not opened the tr, so tr will be opened here. Now we are having the left and right. So for the left and right we are having the align attribute, and for the top and bottom we are having the v align. Okay, so if I write the td align equals to right, so your xyz, look at this table, name and address, suppose it is written xyz in this column, this is 7, so your xyz will be come to the right alignment. So align equals to right means your xyz will come like this. Suppose this is your xyz here, and in the second v alignment equals to top, so the answer is BPS, so your BPS will go to the top of it, BPS school. Okay, suppose this is a so can you see the output of this? So this is the align, this is the V align. Okay, now next is our row span and the call span. Next is our call span and row span. This we will mostly put in our TD tag. Okay, and how we will do it? Suppose we are having one, you can see the page number 126 in your book. It is given the higher class and the entry. So higher class is having the three rows are combining with the higher class. That is the roll number, name and address. These are the column. So these calls are combined with higher class column. So in the same way, how we are written TD call span equals to 3. So your 3 call will be combined together. If I write TD row span equals to 3, so here columns are combined together and here rows are combined together. Okay, so you are having your one example in page number 126. You can try on your computer, you will get your result, and after that also you are having any problem, you can ask me. Okay, thank you, and please try to watch the video.